All right, let's work out page 1 of the one-dimensional constant velocity review. We worked this out in class, but I want to make sure that you have some video solutions to look at later should you get stuck. So for part A, the ant starts here and ends here. And so what that means is the displacement is 0 meters. Now let's get the total distance that the ant covers, and that's going to be the entire circumference. So we can actually plug that into our circumference formula, c equals 2 pi r. I would give you that formula on a test or on a real quiz, but I have it memorized, so I'll just use it here, times 2. And that's going to be 4 pi. I'm going to leave it like that, but I'll also note that if we're going to write this as a decimal, that would be about 12.6 meters. Next, it takes about pi seconds to go around the circle, so I'm going to calculate its average velocity. Let's remember that average velocity, and by the way, I want to start using this notation for displacement, change in x. So that's going to be delta x over t. And that's going to be 0 over the pi seconds that we took to go around the circle. So that's going to be 0 meters per second net velocity. Now let's get the average speed. The average speed is going to be the distance over the time. And in this case, that was 4 pi as our distance. And we'll divide that by our time, which is pi seconds. So that cancels to give us 4 meters per second. So that is page 1 of the one-dimensional constant velocity review.